I'm going to teach you how to work with Canva and how to build a website with Canva. It's very handy and very easy. First, you will go to File and click on Create New Design. Here at the left side, we have some options and scroll down towards the websites. Click on Website. You will get some templates and you can choose one of the best one for you that best fits your necessities and just click on the particular one. It takes a few moments and you will find like this one. You can now add section here. Just click on the add section and from the text you can select the style. Write what you need. Adjust the size of the text. Whatever design you have, you can select by yourself, and then you can upload here some videos also. You have element tool here. You can use that element also. Whatever style you want to add. Here, which of these statements is incorrect? You can put some options here. It's up to you. And select the right one. You can increase options here also, and here is the button submit. You can read it, the text here. Alright. You want to add some stickers, you can add some stickers also. These are GIF animation. You can make your animation also. I will show you another video how to make animation. You can use these animations somewhere. Alright, and it's very easy and handy. You make okay, these are the selections. It's up to you that how you want to show your pages, web pages, and just click on the particular and go to the options. You can just find out whatever you want to do with it. Comments, you can add comment here also. Okay. So you can put some animation also here in the website, like this one. Okay, and then you can add the next page also. Whatever you want to add here, just put here.